Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI. This is the Estate eyeliner that I'm currently wearing right now. I just love this eyeliner so much. Let me show you a few reasons why.
So this is a felt tip eyeliner, which is a great product if you are just starting off with liquid eyeliners like this. It's got a bit more control and it's really easy to use. And I like that it gets all the way up into the inner corner like that and is really easy to apply. It is black, so it goes on nice and solid without any kind of streaks. And I wanted to show you guys, so if you apply it properly, like with no powders or anything underneath it, it will last you all day. I've added some water onto my finger for this test to show you how insane this is. I love it. It's so pigmented. It lasts all day long. It's so easy to use because of the applicator. I just love this product so very much. It just looks great. It's just one of my favorite eyeliners.
So yes, I can say confidently that I'm pretty in love with this eyeliner right here. And if you're looking for a good felt tip that lasts a long time when applied right, I highly recommend you check it out. And that is my point of view.